padala na pagkain.
Nakakahiya nga eh. Hindi pala sa'yo galing. Baldo, sorry ha.
Huwag kayong mag-sorry. Ngayon alam ko na kung anong hilig ninyo. At sana magustuhan ninyo kung ako naman magpapadala sa susunod. Sige po, mauna na ako. Baka busy pa kayo. Sige po, ma'am.
Uy, welcome back.
Si boss?
Ay, nakaalis na siya.
Sige, muna na ako.
Okay.
Sige.
O ikaw, syagod?
Sobra.
O sige, kainin mo muna tong macarons na binigay ni Steph. Alam mo, pinagbiling niya talaga na tirhan ka namin. Sarap.
Sarap?
Sarap.
Bye, Mom. Dad. You should stop playing with Secretary Kim's feelings.
Why do you assume I'm playing around?
Naku,
Saan ka pupunta?
magkasama si Brandon tsaka si Cyrus. Paano kung mag-away sila? Pupuntahan ko.
Let them handle themselves. Malaki na sila. Hayaan mo sila to settle their differences like normal adults.
I like her. That boss ka niya sa opisina, that doesn't mean na kontrolado mo ang buhay niya, Brandon.
I never said anything like that. And she deserves someone better than you.
Oh, better than me. What do you mean? You?
Well, ikaw nagsabi niyan.
So you like Secretary Kim too?
If I say yes, will you leave her alone?
You should have said something sooner, Brandon. I could have stopped myself from falling for her. Well, it's too late now. I have feelings for her. But since I know na gusto ng parents natin na magkaayos tayo, and since you're such an astute businessman, I'm willing to negotiate. If I give up Secretary Kim, patatawarin mo ba ako?
No.
Too bad. Whiskey. Neat.
Ayos lang kayo, sir?
You know, when I was still recovering, I used to love to play this game. Kung gaano katagal kong matitiis ang hindi uminom. I always lost. These days, I just like to stare at it. Remind myself I'm strong enough to say no.
Parang ang bigat pala ng dala niyo, sir.
I came back here to fix my life. The more I try,